Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accumulate wealth effortlessly while others struggle financially their entire lives? Why does financial success seem like a mystery to so many, yet others seem to possess a golden touch? What if I told you that the principles of wealth building are not secrets at all, but ancient truths passed down through the ages? Truths that have stood the test of time and remain as powerful today as they were thousands of years ago. Today, we embark on a journey through the streets of ancient Babylon, the world's first great financial center, to uncover the timeless wisdom of the richest man in Babylon. This is not just a book, it's a treasure chest filled with life-changing principles, hidden in 10 powerful parables, waiting to be unlocked. These parables contain the secrets of wealth, shared in the form of engaging stories that will transform your mindset about money, prosperity, and financial freedom. As we explore these 10 parables, we will meet characters like Arkad, the richest man in Babylon, who started with nothing but discovered the rules of financial success. We will follow the journeys of men who struggled, learned from their mistakes, and ultimately built legacies of wealth. Through their stories, you will uncover lessons that are as relevant today as they were in ancient times. So, if you've ever dreamed of financial freedom, of breaking free from the cycle of paycheck to paycheck living and building a future of abundance, then stay with me, because what you're about to hear could change your life forever. Let's begin our journey with the first parable. The man who desired gold. Our story begins with Bansir, a skilled chariot maker in the heart of Babylon, who despite years of labor, finds himself no closer to wealth. He works hard, yet his purse remains empty, his dreams of prosperity slipping away. One day, he shares his frustrations with his friend Kabi, a musician who also struggles to make ends meet. They begin to realize a painful truth: hard work alone does not create wealth. In their quest for answers, they seek out Arkad, the richest man in Babylon. Arkad was not born into wealth, he built it. And as Bansir and Kabi listen to his wisdom, they realize that wealth is not about luck or lineage, but about knowledge and action. The first step to financial success is a shift in mindset, a realization that wealth is within reach for those willing to learn its principles and apply them with diligence. Second parable is the richest man in Babylon. Arkad's story is one of transformation. He started as a humble scribe, earning little more than a basic living. But one day, he asked himself a question that changed everything. Why do I work so hard, yet remain poor, while others who are no smarter than I am grow wealthy? That question led him on a quest to learn from those who had mastered the art of accumulating wealth. The answer he discovered was simple but profound. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. It was the golden rule of wealth building. No matter how much or how little you make, if you save and invest wisely, your money will begin to work for you. Arkad applied this principle relentlessly, and over time, his wealth grew beyond his wildest dreams. The lesson? True wealth begins with the habit of saving, no matter how small the amount. Next parable is 7 cures for a lean purse, so let's focus on this. One day, the king of Babylon calls upon Arkad to share his knowledge with the people, to help them escape poverty. Arkad stands before the crowd and reveals the 7 laws of wealth, the very principles that made him the richest man in Babylon. He begins with the simplest yet most profound advice: always keep a portion of what you earn for yourself. No matter how much money flows into your hands, if you spend it all, you will always remain poor. Saving even a small percentage builds a foundation for financial stability. Next is parable 4, which is meet the goddess of good luck. In this parable, Babylonian merchants and traders discuss luck and how it affects wealth. Many believe fortune favors the lucky, but Arkad argues that luck favors those who take action. He illustrates how opportunities come to those who prepare and seize them quickly. Those who hesitate, fearing risk or uncertainty, often watch opportunities slip away. The key takeaway? Luck is not about random chance. It is about being ready and courageous when opportunities present themselves. Parable 5 says, the 5 laws of gold. Calibab, a wise and experienced trader, shares 5 golden rules of wealth with a group of eager listeners. These rules emphasize saving, investing wisely, seeking expert advice, avoiding risky ventures, and ensuring that money is put to productive use. He reminds them that gold flees from those who lack wisdom but grows for those who understand its value and handle it with care. The lesson is clear. Money must be nurtured and managed with intelligence to flourish. Next parable is the gold lender of Babylon. This parable introduces Rodin, a spear maker who suddenly receives a fortune. Unsure how to handle his wealth, he seeks advice from Mathan, a wise moneylender. Mathan warns him that lending money without wisdom can lead to ruin, as borrowers who lack discipline often fail to repay. Rodin learns that money should only be lent to those who have the means and discipline to return it. The lesson here? Generosity is noble, but financial wisdom must always come first. Parable 7 is the walls of Babylon. During a time of war, Babylon's citizens find security behind its massive walls. Despite threats and enemy attacks, the walls hold firm, protecting everything within. This parable is a metaphor for financial security. Just as strong walls protect a city, financial discipline and wise decision-making protect personal wealth. Those who build financial security through savings, investments, and cautious planning can withstand life's inevitable challenges. Next is Parable 8, which is the clay tablets from Babylon. The clay tablets tell a story of perseverance, discipline, and the importance of written financial wisdom. They contain the secrets of how a man paid off his debts, grew his wealth, and secured his financial future. These tablets emphasize that consistent savings, no matter how small, will grow over time when invested wisely. By making financial planning a written discipline, one can chart a path to prosperity with clarity and commitment. Parable 9 defines the luckiest man in Babylon. This parable highlights the importance of recognizing opportunities and having the courage to take action. It tells the story of a young man who had nothing but a dream, yet through bold choices and persistent effort, he became one of the wealthiest in Babylon. He understood that fortune favors those who take chances and step outside their comfort zone. While others doubted and hesitated, he saw doors where others saw walls. True luck, the story teaches, is not about random chance. It is about creating the right conditions for success and stepping forward with faith. At the end, Parable 10 gives the historical perspective. The final lesson takes us beyond Babylon and into the broader world of financial history. It reminds us that the principles of wealth building have remained unchanged for centuries. Civilizations have risen and fallen, economies have boomed and crashed, but those who understand money, who save diligently, invest wisely, and live within their means, have always found financial security. If you enjoyed this audiobook summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below and let us know which lesson resonated with you the most. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you.